Hello everybody and welcome to the Checkout System Introduction Tutorial. To begin with, you will need to open your browser and navigate to the R&R website. You will then need to enter your login credentials. Your credentials will be the email and password that you use to log into any school computer. Once logged in, you will be brought to the main booking wizard. This is where you will find all items available for checkout. Keep in mind, some items are only available to journalism students. Please take the time to go through all categories to know where the items you need are located. Next, we will cover how to reserve your equipment. After finding the category of equipment needed, you will be brought to the options screen. Here we will decide the specific piece of equipment needed and what dates or time it is needed for checkout. So here we will be checking out a 35mm camera. After choosing our category, we can click to see the models available. We will choose a Canon for this demonstration. Now that we have our camera picked out, we need to pick a time and a day for reservation. This can be done by clicking on the calendar and choosing a day. You will then need to pick a duration of the checkout. Keep in mind every item has a different allotted time for checkout. We then click search and the program tells us if our equipment is available. Please review all information to ensure you are reserving the correct equipment. If everything is correct, click Confirm. Make sure and follow any return instructions. You will also get a confirmation email regarding your reservation. Thanks for watching.